खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले raise yourself, your own self to such an height through these interventions, not through arrogance, not through ego, through untiring efforts, selfless efforts, sacrifice, blood and sweat, to a level God will Himself ask you, O human being, O Muslim, what is your desire? This is the height of glory, apex of glory, touching heights of glory. So खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है?
Serious, bro.
For the discounts, man. This market shop, the too expensive. Some of the football pitch discount. The price is still good. Checking the quality, bro.
Just let me know how much it is.
This market shop, the 600 the price, bro. Is the 200 discount, the 400 the last price, bro.
Well, I think I can pay it for 300. No.
But is the quality is a bit better,
I
man?
know the quality is pretty good, but it's
But the shop is too
price
expensive,
is
buddy.
very handsome.
It's a branded, buddy. This is too number quality never. This is no London, man. It's a London's the quality, bro.
It's a made in where? Made in China.
China.
Made in
No, China.
China.
China is a too high century, buddy. I level with China,
Okay,
man.
let me know the final price.
भाई आपकी नेशनलिटी कहाँ से है? पाकिस्तान के हैं आप?
Yes, I'm Pakistan. Is Pakistan good country? I love Pakistan, man.
पाकिस्तान के
Is the Pakistan, the talent is too good, alhamdulillah. Does God help you? The Pakistan, very good
You
country.
live around here or somewhere else?
I'm just here, in the same round, buddy.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, just grab it down, bro. I pay.
Thank you, bro. Thank you so much, buddy. It's all people. God bless you, buddy.
ओके थैंक यू सर थैंक यू
पॉलिसी अपने अमन और इस्तेकाम पर मबनी है। हम अपने हमसे हमेशा हम अपने हमसाए मुल्क और आलमी बरादरी के साथ मजबूत ताल्लुक कायम करना की ख्वाहिशमंद है, जो बहमी इंतराम और मुस्तकिल खुशहाली की बुनियाद पर हो। हमारे मशाइल अफाद
तो लोग जाहिलों को पेशवा बना लेंगे और उनसे मसाइल पूछे जाएंगे, तो ये जाहिल लोग बग़ैर इल्म के फतवे देकर ख़ुद भी गुमराह होंगे और दूसरों को भी गुमराह करेंगे। बुखारी